It sounds frightening, it's not. Example 1. We're just going to do examples today. They're going to be probably 3 examples and we'll call it a day. Example 1 says, at the mall, we will say, we'll say Lisa looks up 40 degrees and sees Jake. She looks down 30 degrees and sees Quinn. Okay. If she is, I will say, 25 meters away from them, how far is Jake from I believe on your test, when I give you this question, I will give you the diagram too. That's what I something in this expression. So it says here, at the mall. No, I won't give you the question. At the diagram. At the mall, Lisa looks up 40 degrees and sees Jake. So she's at the mall. She looks across. It's like if you go to the bigger cities, they will have 2 floors on their malls. Okay, so there's actually 3 floors. Okay, so here's going to be Lisa. She's going to be on floor number 1, right here in the middle.
So floor number 2.
Floor number 2, technically. Lisa's going to be looking directly across. Okay, and she sees nothing. She's going to look up like this at 40 degrees and see Jake. She's going to look down 30 degrees and see Quinn. Okay. What else? So I'll give you a second to get my scribble down so I'm going to get excited. Riley, do I need to wake you up? Please stay awake. Thank you. How can I proceed from this question? I'll give you a second to struggle.
That's a 90 degrees.
Sorry? Well, yeah, because we want to, eventually we want to find out, we want to find from Quinn to Jake, right? That's what we're going to want to find. So I like what you're suggesting, that those are 2 90-degree angles. That's what that's and that's what we're looking for from Jake to Quinn. What am I not putting in yet? Okay, guys, please try here, because this is going to be on your test. This is very question with different numbers. Where is 25 meters going to go? If it says Lisa's 25 meters from them, where's that going to go? Sorry, someone else in Raleigh, because Raleigh's the only person thinking it. Where's the 25 going to go here? If Lisa's 25 meters from them, what's that? Yeah. Well, I'm going to put 25 meters right here. Basically what's happening, they're going to be standing up 2 levels from 25 meters difference. If I want to find out how far Quinn and Jake are, how can I do that? Oh, guys, don't give up. This is going to be on.
Ask the teacher.
Find the 2 distances.
Find the 2 distances, right? So triangle number 1 you're going to use is one that looks like this. Okay. Triangle number 2 so there's going to be an X and a Y. The tricky part about this question is that you use the 25 twice. Okay? The 25 is used right in the top triangle and the bottom. Should, right? Yeah, there are two triangles, right? It's connected sign. Okay, as far as how the top triangle goes, can I get a brave soul to give me opposite adjacent hypotenuse? Go. Yeah.
Okay, so hypotenuse is the only one that's not really labeled.
Good.
And then the opposite is the x.
Good.
And then the adjacent is the only one left. That's good.
On the top, we're going to leave the. Okay, if I told my sexist joke yet? I tell it to you right now. You see, the sexist joke is this: women is not a joke. It's serious. Women are better at multitasking than males are. It's a fact. Males cannot multitask. I am a male, which means I can multitask. That means I'm going to ignore the green triangle for now. Okay, and not touch it and deal with it at the end of the question. I'm just going to deal with the red, and it's not a joke. It's serious. I can't multitask. So I'm just going to do the red triangle. For the red triangle, how do I solve for x? Okay, you've been doing 100 of these. So somebody please raise their hand with vigor. Thank you, Jake. At the front, go ahead. What's tan? Good, yeah. So tan, go ahead. Tan of what? What? Go ahead, understand, sir? Yeah, good. So fill in some numbers. No?
25.
Good. My angle here is going to be 40. Okay. So tan of 40 is x over 25. Okay, how do we get x by itself now? How do we solve for x? Oh goodness. This is where I should start back. Okay, go.
Bracket 25, bracket tan 40 equals x. And x equals, and then the answer.
Go ahead.
Okay. 20.97.
21.
21.
21.0. Okay, someone other than Jake and Jake. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, by the way. What does that represent, that x? We gotta get this in English, okay?
How far Lisa is away from Jake?
No.
No.
How far Jake is
Jake's from what, put on this last one?
Lisa's floor.
Yeah, okay. This is gonna be Lisa's floor straight across. X is gonna be the distance from like Lisa's floor up. Okay? So this is the distance. Floor up to Jake. I'm going to hit pause and give everyone 2 minutes to solve for y in a similar method. At the bottom here, it's going to be the same idea. Probably. So we're going to deal with this. This again is opposite for the green. This is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Right? It's the same thing, but with the green bottom triangle. So we're going to say tan of 30 is y over 25. And again, that's your opposite and that's your adjacent. So 25 times tan 30.
Oh.
14.4. Thank you, Jake G. Someone other than Jake G. What does that actually mean, the 14.4? What is that? What's y equals 14.4 mean? Yeah? Good. So this is the distance from Lisa's floor to Kim. Okay, now let's use our brains here. What's the distance from Quinn to Jake then? Yeah, go ahead. How'd you get that? So this right here is 14.4. This right here is 21.0. all you're gonna do is just, the operation on the user is gonna add them together here. And that's gonna be 35.4. And that's a giant ball. Therefore, Jake is 35.4 meters. Okay, I'm going to do one more question similar to this, okay, right now. So it's sort of similar, sort of different. It's going to involve doing this more again. Yeah. So, yeah, meters, so sorry. What's the meters? Yeah, I don't know if I said meters, but it should be meters. Yes. Okay, I'm going to hit pause or hit stop on this.